So this video will show you how to back up your Wincnc program before any type of upgrade or whatever. So in the C drive of your computer, there is a folder called Wincnc. Now that is the folder where Wincnc has all of its application files. Now the easiest way to back up Wincnc so that it can be restored later is to right click on Wincnc and then say send to compressed or zipped folder, and then it'll ask us, depending on the permissions that your user has, the logged in Windows user, it'll ask you this question. It says, oh, I can't put the folder here. In other words, I don't have the right to make a folder on the main root of the C drive. Do you want it to be placed on the desktop instead? And we say yes, that's fine, right? And so we see it compress the files and it puts them on the computer's desktop. Now when we look at the desktop, we should see that file there. It should just be called wincnc.zip, and you see I had one from earlier, but we look at this one and date modified 2018, so that's an older one. So this is the one that it just created, Wincnc 2. So I'm going to rename that so it's more descriptive. So I'm going to put today's date, Wincnc full backup. Okay, so we've got it named. Now I can store that on a server somewhere, store it on a USB drive, maybe even in 1 or 2 locations, so that if something goes wrong, I have my machine's configuration backed up. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for you, and we'll see you on the next one.